Hey guys, we're back.
That's right, we're gonna get to work on our mini bike build in this video. Alright guys, we're gonna get to work on the Rascal Minibike Kit. So this is basically the bigger brother of the little Rascal. And GOPOWERSPORTS hooked us up with a kit. It's in here. Oh. It looks pretty awesome.
Oh, sweet.
We can pull some of this out of here. Got tires.
Ooh, got some sweet handlebars.
Another tire. Got this sweet unboxing. Pull this guy out, a box of parts. We'll open that up. More of that in a minute.
I've been wanting to do one of these mini bikes for so long.
Heck yeah.
I'm excited about it.
It's like front forks maybe? Yeah, front forks.
Yeah.
Some more. We'll open more of this stuff as we go. Frame.
Oh, look at that.
That's a big size frame. And for a mini bike, wow.
Yeah, because it's slightly bigger than the little Rascal, right?
Yeah, which I mean, yeah, it's more like adult size.
Oh, here's the front.
Yeah, front fork piece.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, so this is basically the complete roller, but we also have, this is separate from the kit, still from GOPOWERSPORTS, is a Tillotson 212.
That's right.
And if you guys saw our drift trikes, we had these motors on our drift trikes we did.
Yep, and we upgraded one, which you guys will be seeing more of that soon.
Oh, heck yeah. I can't wait to
works.
get them back out.
Heck yeah, now that the weather decided to cooperate in Michigan for once.
And we'll have this mini bike too, so I'm excited to get this thing put together.
That's right.
All right, so we have this awesome box of parts. Uh-oh, got some nuts and bolts and all kinds of goodies. Brake assembly.
That's right, hand grips, throttle.
Ignition.
Oh, that's the kill switch, sorry. Axle.
Axle shaft. Ooh, throttle. Ooh,
chain.
Centrifugal clutch.
Yeah.
Oh, we're good. We have a couple of those on our drift trikes. Oh, check this out. Yo, I love this stuff. Oh, that's a sweet little seat.
Heck yeah.
Oh.
Chain guard.
Wow, that's heavy duty.
Yeah, that's nice.
Be able to stand on that guy. Some cool stickers.
Cool stickers.
Nice brake disc. Ooh, and a one-piece sprocket. Wow, that's heavy duty.
Heck yeah.
I like it.
Sweet setup.
Kickstand. Man, I love GOPOWERSPORTS. All their stuff is like heavy duty and beefy.
That's right. And they hook you up with a full kit, so you get like the full setup, minus the engine, with just the base kit.
Yeah, it's a full roller, so you could just buy it and push yourself around on it.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
But no, that Tillotson motor is pretty cool.
So we're going to go ahead and get to work. All right, guys, we're going to start putting this bad boy together. Going to work on I picked up this Milwaukee toolbox, I don't know, like a month ago now.
Pretty
This thing is
sweet.
pretty sick. I
like it. It's
But
nice.
anyways, back to the mini bike.
I'm going to take it when Sean's not looking and take it to my garage.
Of course he will.
All right, so let's get this front end set up. Got some awesome little bushings here to put in.
So we do have some optional like extras, if you will, for this that we're going to show at a later time. And it's going to be some upgrades, but we're going to do some different stuff. So just so you guys know.
So we're basically going to do the stock version of what you would get if you ordered this from GOPOWERSPORTS. And we'll put the description to the kit down in our description, the link.
Yep. And we may not show every single detail. We're going to link the video to GOPOWERSPORTS. They have a very good in-depth tutorial of how to do everything. And done by Taylor at GOPOWERSPORTS. So if you guys need that, we'll link that in the description as well. You are so smart, SMRT.
Smart.
I may have to deburr this guy a little bit. I don't have a deburring tool, but a file will have to work.
We're just using the bolt that's going to hold it anyway. File it.
File it under file it?
Do you have a longer file? Maybe like a 4-footer? Dude, I wanted a mini bike like this for years.
No, we have one.
I jumped right to dirt bikes, 4-wheelers, and go-karts. You're never too old for a mini bike. This would make like a good pit bike or something.
Yes, it would.
Here, what do we almost one more hit. Times 10. See, one more hit.
I want to put the forks on there first.
Yeah.
All right, don't forget to grease your bushings.
Grease your what?
Your bushings.
Oh, bushings?
Yeah.
Dude, what color are we going to paint this thing?
I don't know. Maybe we should ask the viewers.
So after we get this thing together and we run it and test it, we're gonna tear it down, paint it, do the upgrades on it. What color do you guys think we should paint it? Let us know in the comments below.
As opposed to the comments above?
Yeah, I mean, you could. Or you can text Sean personally at 555.
Please, that's exactly what I want.
He will answer. Okay.
I'm sure, judging from comments on the internet, people will be very nice.
That's probably tight enough.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be. It's a lock.
Loosen it up at that. It doesn't stare. Oh. This might be a one direction and go.
Hey, there we go. All right, front forks are on.
Oh.
Next step, tires. Kurt likes to throw stuff at me all the time.
I do. One of these days, you're not going to catch it, and I'm going to be happy.
Right?
So we got our spacers, the front tire.
Do you have a couple of options, guys, on this kit? You can get a street tire or these knobbies. You know, we're going to ride this thing off-road, so we want the knobby tires.
We're going to have to run it on our track and see what kind of times it does.
That's right.
I had the tire upside down.
Right.
I'm kidding. Oh, look at that.
So far, we have a unicycle.
You have the ratchet, and I don't, and I'm...
Well, stop.
As long as this thing does about $1.20 on the highway, okay. Time to get the rear tire on. There's a nice little flange on both sides. One's for the brake, one's for the sprocket.
All right, guys, once you have the brake rotor on and the sprocket on, a couple of spacers, just throw that in there and just slide the axle through. Next up, the handlebars.
Ooh. Not my finger. Should we center these?
No.
Okay.
Are we? I can't tell for.
Now these handlebars do have a little couple degree angle back.
Yes, you know that faces towards you.
Yeah. No, not unless you're more comfortable with it facing out.
All right. I guess you could go either way.
Well, you just go forward more, huh?
Way crooked.
Can't give some people power tools.
All right. Why don't you do your side? Let's see you mess up.
There you go.
Good enough for now.
Good till we adjust. All right, time to get the Tillotson 212 on there. Right now it's stock. It won't be. Later on, we're gonna upgrade it like what we did on the one drift trike. We may have to take this plate off. Might be difficult to add gas.
Yeah, that's true. Cross that bridge when we get there.
But it does, they do have an aftermarket gas tank that mounts underneath. Does it come in the kit?
It's an option on the kit.
Yeah, it's an option on the kit. So when we do the upgrade, we're gonna remove the gas tank and put the cylinder one on here.
All right, guys, when you go set the engine on, there's 3 bolts here. They're all open. They give you some bolts, and that's where the chain guard's gonna go.
And just a little quick, oh, go ahead.
I'll say, we ran them on just hand tight, but we left a little bit of space because we're gonna slip it on after we put the chain in it and the clutch on.
So the clutch on this actually has to go on backwards. Not backwards, just reversed.
Yeah.
Just so the chain is lined up with this. All right, so we have the gas line, gas throttle, everything all hooked up. So now we just have to put gas in it. We put oil in it.
Yeah,
So-
we showed you all the hooking up all this stuff in previous videos.
Yeah,
it's
so
all
go
out
check
there,
them
so we
out.
don't want to
Yeah.
bore you with that stuff again.
No. Whoa. There's a tie strip digging into my hand. Oh. Woo.
Don't do that.
Look at that.
Heck yeah.
You don't need a kickstand up around it. Oh, dude, that's cool.
All right, let's put some gas in it.
All right, first start.
Look at that. Tillotson first pull.
That's really the first pull.
Yeah, honestly.
Probably let it break in for a second.
I guess. Gonna wear our tires out already. Hey guys, we decided to come out to the field where our track's at. We couldn't just ride it in the driveway, that wouldn't be very much fun. So we decided to bring it out here, we'll set a lap time and have a little bit of fun. Alright guys, we're gonna have Kurt set a lap. See what we're gonna do. 3, 2, 1, go! .76.
All right, now that I got the clutch smoke, it's Sean's turn.
That's right.
What was my time?
38.7.
Yeah, close
something,
enough.
but whatever.
So you're gonna be like 48.
Well, yeah, because the clutch is hot and the engine's already overheated.
It's warmed up.
No.
Hey, more
Nice
heat,
thing is
more
I got
friction.
a valid excuse.
Yeah, always. Let's see what you got. You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. All right, let's see what Sean has. I don't know. Oh, I think we were right on. I beat him by a second. Well, what'd you think?
How'd I do?
39.93.
No, come on.
1 second, right?
not even
2
fair.
seconds.
It's because the clutch was hot.
Hey, it's warmed up for you.
This thing is like faster than you'd expect.
It is. I can't wait to do the upgrades like we did on the one drift trike.
Yeah, I mean, like, it's truly surprising. Like, sometimes just the simple builds are the most fun.
Yeah, and we threw this thing together in a couple hours.
Yeah.
And then we get to do all the fun upgrades to it.
Yeah, so obviously leave a comment down below, guys, and yeah, let us know if you're excited for the upgrades.
A little bit of mud right there. brakes work good.
Heck yeah, they do.
That is awesome. This thing is amazing. It's the Rascal from GOPOWERSPORTS. A lot of fun. That Tillotson has quite a bit of power.
That's
just
right.
Like on a drift trike, so it'll be fun to upgrade it.
Huge thanks to the guys over at GOPOWERSPORTS for hooking us up with this. Guys, head over to the website, check it out. It's just a cool little kit. It's a ton of fun. Can be done. You could build it in a day and have a weekend's worth of fun in a few hours. It's totally worth it.
Absolutely.
Go check it out. Yeah, and also Kurt got married. That's why we were off for so long. So go down in the comments, leave a congratulations for him and Abby. It was fun. I got to be the best man.
I appreciate it. No one else but you. So
That's
you're
right.
the best man. So.
But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. We do have some cool stuff coming up. If any of you noticed the hats we were wearing, maybe a little bit of a clue to help us make our builds a little bit better. Thanks a lot, guys, and thanks for watching Cracked House and Fab.